What's going on? Ecom Josh Carter here, back again with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I find my profitable winning products that make me thousands and thousands of dollars every single day, just selling simple products on eBay. So without any further ado, hit the like, hit the sub, drop a comment what video you want to see next. And without any further ado, let's jump right into it. Alrighty guys, so firstly what you want to do is head over to ebay.com and just log in with your account. And now I want you to think of a keyword. Any keyword, doesn't really matter. For example, we're going to go with Bluetooth, right? Bluetooth, popular keyword, could relate to, Bluetooth headphones, anything like that. And basically what you want to do is you want to come over to the side here and go to sold and completed items. Basically this is going to bring up all the items that have sold, recently. And this is how you're going to know if the product's really selling or not. So you want to go through here and scroll until you find a product that you think might be a winning product. It's all about testing. So I'm going to be back. I'll look for a product, and once I've found one scrolling through here, I'll get back. Alrighty guys, so it took me like 5 minutes. I found this product just from scrolling through here. I found the product, and this is what you want to look out for. So first things first is you want to look at the item sold. If that's a high number and people are viewing this in the last 24 hours, then this is definitely a good product. So firstly, what you want to do is just simply click on that little 122 sold, and it's going to show you what has been selling these last 30 days. And if there's items that recently, for example, it's the 18th of March right now, this is selling yesterday, the day after. Look at that, selling like crazy on the 16th, 15th. This product is selling every single day. So this, to me, is a winning product, but we're not done yet. So it's selling a lot, which means if we go ahead and list it, there's a high chance if we list the exact same thing, we add a thumbnail, we make it more enticing, we're going to make sales right off this. And this is how you're going to make thousands and thousands of dollars selling on eBay with a simple product. So now what you want to do is you want to head over to Alibaba.com, not AliExpress, Alibaba, right? Press enter, and from there, all you have to do, skip these ads. Don't make the rookie mistake and go into the ads. Even though it does say Alibaba there, just click on the one below the ads, and all you have to do is basically do what we do on eBay. Get the keyword. We looked for Bluetooth. It's lagging a bit. Bluetooth earphones. That's what it was. That was what the product was on eBay. So that's those two words that I chuck in on Alibaba. And basically you want to be finding a supplier on Alibaba, and if it's on here, then you have found yourself a product, my friend. So you just want to scroll through here until you find the photo that's the same on eBay. For example, right here. So we want to go back to this listing, and we want to look at the picture and memorize some things. So we have what? 3 dots, 100, 3 dots. So head over to eBay. Maybe that's not the one. It's close. It has the 100, but not 3 dots. So that might not be the product. But basically you scroll through here until you find the product. If it's not on there, then maybe you need to look for another product. But I'm going to go find the supplier on Alibaba, and once I have found the supplier, I will get back to you in a second. Okay. Alright guys, so what I actually had to do was I had to search up Bluetooth earbuds, not Bluetooth headphones, and that was the difference. So I scrolled down and the product was there. 4 dots, 100, 4 dots. 4 dots, 100, 4 dots. So we found the product, and how much are they getting it for? We want to click on the listing, and we normally want to look for, history with the supplier. We want to make sure they've been in the business for a decent number of years. For example, this has been there for 6 years. You don't want 1 to 2 years. That's not that long for a supplier. You won't know if they're trustworthy or not. 217 transactions. I'm not sure if that's over 160,000 transactions. Jesus. And yeah, it's $2 on Alibaba. This guy's selling it for $20. He's selling it for $20, getting it for $2. You do the math. 18, he sold 122. Huh? He's making $18 profit. Right? Times that by 122. We'll see how much he's made within a couple months. Here we go. 18 times 122. My guy's made $2,000 easy. Easy. Off one product. We're going to go look for another product because that was pretty simple, right? Can we agree that was all simple? Also, drop a like, drop a sub. It's free if you want daily, weekly content on YouTube. We're going to search up another thing like cat. Like cat toy. Cat. I could even just put cat. Right? Another product. You just want to scroll through and I'm even on the sold and completed items again on the side. And you want to look for a product that you know that has been selling. Pretty straightforward. Let me get back to you. Like I said, I'm just going to click on even this product right here. I won't even get back to you. I'll click on this product. And if it has items sold, 133 sold. Click on that. This is so easy. It's easy. It's easy bread. It's easy money. Right? And it's 18th. Look, 17th, 17th, 16th, 15th, 14th. So this is selling hundreds every single month. Hundreds. So all you have to do, same thing. We're looking for like a fish cat toy, right? Head over to Alibaba. Search up fish cat toy. It's almost too easy. All right? Fish cat toy, look for the same image or similar image, and it's cheaper. Even this might be the supplier right here. So we're looking for something similar to that. And even if it's not, like, even if it's close, that will do. That will simply do. Like here, right, found it. I think. Okay, so look how cheap, and it's so cheap from here. It's just crazy, right? It's just crazy cheap. Right, so click on this. It even has ready to ship on the thing. We want to look. See, this supply's only been in it for 1 year. I'm sorry, but that's just not. That's not acceptable for me. That's my criteria. You could, if you want, if you're watching this, that could, 1 year. But guys, we want reliable suppliers. Try another one. Here we go. Looks decent. Looks decent. What do we got? 4 years. Bang. How much is it on here? You can get 1 to 499 pieces for $2.75. What do we got it on eBay? $11. $11. We're getting it for around 2. Right. How many have they sold? 133. Right. They're getting it for 11. They're selling it for 11. Cost 2 to ship out. You do the math. 9 times 133. Easily $1,000. Easily $1,000 just off one product. So that's basically the video of how to easily make money selling products on eBay just by using this one method. Let me know in the comments if you want more methods of how to find winning products, whether that's with softwares or if you want videos on how to automate dropshipping so you don't have to do anything. Let me know in the comments down below what videos you want next. Ecom Josh Carter signing out. Hit the sub. We're going to break 4,000 subscribers, on the way to 10,000 subscribers. I'm posting, multiple videos every single week. So make sure you ring that bell so you're notified when I post next. Ecom Josh Carter signing out. Enjoy the rest of my content. If you want to watch another one, click here and subscribe here. Peace.